Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra. I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I am going to talk about verse number 4 to 7 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 2. Here Arjuna Uvacha. Here Arjuna stated about his grievances, why he has this kind of supreme grief regarding the all the relatives who are actually gathered in the battle of Mahabharata. Arjuna has a grievances. So Arjuna here stated, Arjuna Uvacha, verse number 4. कथ भीष्म संख्य द्रोण च मधुसूदन इषुभि प्रत्योस्तासाइमि पूर्वा पूजा आरभ अरिसूदना. Here Arjuna stated, O killer of enemy Madhusudan, Krishna, Vasudev, Madhusudan, Govind, Murari. Here Arjuna asked, I am Arjun, I am asked you, Madhav, O killer of Madhu, how can I counter attack with an arrow in the battle? Men like Bhishma and Drona who are worthy in my worship. In our life, actually, the opponents are some kind of our relative, some kind of person who has very dear to me, who is very dear to me, who has done everything for me. Like Guru Drona has done everything for Arjuna, and he took Eklavya's thumb in order to make Arjuna as a great archer. So Arjuna here grieved for such a things. How can I counter attack on Guru Drona and Bhishma Pitama? If I kill both of them, then our next 4 generation will never get education, and without education they will never get a good culture and civilization. So how can I kill my own people and the people like Guru Drona and Bhishma Pitama who are worthy for my worship? Means I would always have to worship to people like Guru Drona and Bhishma Pitama who are actually worthy for my worship. Then how can I counter attack on those people? Respectable superior like Bhishma Pitama, the grandfather, and Dronacharya, the teacher, are always worshipable. Means grandfather, the great grandfather, Bhishma Pitama, and the teacher, these all people are always worshipable. And even if they attack, they should not be counter attacked. If our grandfather or great grandfather will slap to me and slap to his grandson, then his grandson will not have to do any kind of counter attack on his grandfather. And we even don't have to counter attack on our teacher as well. It's a general etiquette that superior are not be offered even a verbal fight. Superior are not offered even a verbal fight. Even if they are sometimes harsh in behavior, they should not be harshly treated. This is the grievances of Arjuna. If the superior, we just have to understand, if the person who is actually moving on the path of adharma, that person, whether grandfather or teacher, they all are liable to get a punishment. They all are liable to get all kind of punishment for this all kind of offenses or sinful acts. So this is what Arjuna has to understand. This kind of thought of Arjuna is totally wrong. Arjuna further stated, Gurun hatva hi mahanubhava shreya bhoktu bhoksya piha lokeha hatvaktya kamak stuta guru nevaha Fujiye bhoga nurida pradigdhan. Here Arjuna stated, it would be better to live in the world by begging than to live at the cost of the lives of the great souls, life of the great souls who are my teacher and great grandfather. Arjuna here stated, मैं भीख मांग के जी लूंगा, पर इन लोगों का मृत्यु करके अगर मुझे स्वर्ग का राज्य भी प्राप्त होता है ना, then all things are worthless. I am ready to live by begging, but I am not ready to kill my worshipable people. Even though desiring a worldly gain, they are superior. Even they means if they are killed, everything will enjoy, everything we enjoy will be tainted with a blood. If we kill our forefather, if we kill Guru Dronacharya, the great teacher, great means who gave me a great great archery. So how can I kill the people like Guru Dronacharya and Bhishma Pitama? If I kill, then entire kingdom will be tainted with a blood. न चेत्य दिग्ध कतरनो गरीये यदा जयम यदि ना नो जयहु याने व हंतानि जिजी विषाम स्थित व्यवस्थित प्रमुख धृतराष्ट्र. नो डू वी नो विच इज बेटर, कॉन्करिंग देम और बीइंग कॉन्कर्ड बाय देम. क्या बेटर है, मतलब उनको जीतना वो हमें पराजय कर दे और वो हमें जीत ले या हम उनको जीत ले. क्या मतलब, व्हाट वुड बी अ बेटर, whether conquering them or being conquered by them. If we kill the son of Dhritarashtra, we should not care the life, and yet they are not standing before us on the battlefield. कार्पण्ये दोषोत स्वभाव भारत पुष्यामितं सर्व समधु धर्म समधुत चेत यशस्वी श्राई निश्चित ब्रूहितन में शिष्यस्तस्ते साधि मातो प्रपन्नम. Here Arjuna stated, हे वासुदेव, हे कृष्ण, हे मधुसूदन, हे मुरारी, हे माधवा, हे मधुसूदन, हे मुकुंदा, now I become your disciple and please guide me accordingly, because in the battle of Mahabharata, in the Dharma Kshetra, Kurukshetra, I am confused. Whenever we are confused in our life, we are not able to do what actually we have to do. At that time, we have to surrender unto Lord Krishna, Madhava, Madhusudana, Mukunda, Murari, and Lord Krishna will definitely guide to all of us. कार्पण्य दोषो प्रहता स्वभाव, कार्पण्य दोषो प्रहता स्वभाव पश्चामितं धर्म समदूह चेत ये चेरस्य निश्चितं ब्रूहितं मे शिष्य ते हम साधि मम त्वं प्रपन्नम. शिष्य, I become your disciple. Now I become your disciple. Please guide me, Madhav, Madhusudan, Mukunda. Please guide me accordingly what ought to do and what ought not to do. Please guide me, Krishna, because I am confused now. Here Arjuna stated, now I am confused by my duty and have lost all the composure because of misery's weakness. In this condition, I am asking you to tell me for a certain what is the best for me. Madhav, Madhusudan, I become your disciple, I have totally surrendered unto you. Now it's your duty, Krishna. Vasudev, please guide me. You have to guide me proper direction on which I have to, whether I will have to conquer my enemy and being conquered by my enemy. Now I am your disciple and the soul surrender unto you. My soul surrender unto you. And please instruct me, please guide me. Here Arjuna asked to Lord Krishna to instruct him and guide him. So whenever without surrendering unto our teacher and our surrendering unto those people who are actually having a knowledge, we are not able to gain a knowledge. We always have to, in order to gain a knowledge, we have to surrender unto the knowledgeable person. So this is Arjuna here asked to Krishna, I become your disciple and you have to guide me, Vasudev. Nahi pasyami mama panudan yakachokam upasanam indriyanam apyam bhuham aspatam radam rajyam suranam api chadiyatam. I cannot find, no, means I am not able to find no meaning to drive away these griefs and which is drying up my senses. जो ये मतलब grievances है, जो मुझे दुख हो रहा है, miseries हो रही है, I am not able to understand how to overcome from this all the grievances by which my all the senses are drying up. I will not able to dispel it, even if I win the prosperous, unrivaled kingdom on the earth with a sovereignty like the demigod in the heaven. I have already win over, means I have already won over many kingdom. I have conquered many kingdom like a heaven. Even then, despite of this all things, I am not able to understand what to do and what not to do, what ought to do and what ought not to do. Just you have to guide me, Krishna. I become your disciple. Hey Krishna Vasudev, I am also become your disciple. You have to guide me. You have to make me understand what ought to do and what ought not to do. Because I do have a trust on you, Vasudev. Whatever you instruct me, I will follow it. Then after preaching of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna understood this is the main grievances of Arjuna. And after these all things, Arjuna understood, Madhav, Madhusudan, I am not able to fight. And after understood of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna stated, Nashta moho smruti labdha tat prasadam Krishna stitasam gata sandeha karishya vachanam taha. नष्ट मोह, जो मेरा मोह था वो नाश हो गया है. My all kind of attachment has been destroyed. नष्ट मोह स्मृति लब्धा, whatever memories I lost, I have regained. नष्ट मोह स्मृति लब्धा तत्प्रसादम Krishna. It has only happened because Lord Krishna, you have make me understand Srimad Bhagavad Gita. That is only reason why I understood and why all kind of my attachment and bewilderment is all gone because of your preaching of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Nashta moho smruti labdha tat prasadam Krishna stitasam gata sandeha. All the doubts are dispelled and my memories I got my memory again. नष्ट मोह स्मृति लब्धा तत्प्रसादम कृष्णा स्थितसम गत संदेह. My all the doubts are gone. Now I will follow your all the instruction. स्थितसम गत संदेह करिष्य वचनम तवा. Whenever we are saying to our teacher, our leader, करिष्य वचनम तवा, at that time we have to understand everything, because student will always surrender unto his guru or their guru. So wife always surrender unto her husband. So it's something like that. We have to surrender unto the best person or best or supreme person, God, Lord Krishna. If we surrender unto best person or excellent thing, then we will definitely make ourselves excellent. If we surrender unto the wrong person or evil person, then we will surely mold ourselves and all the sinful activities, whatever the wrong person to whom we have to surrender, we have surrendered. These all things affect to us, and these all things will definitely mold our character, and we will definitely indulge in the sinful activities because of influence of that particular person. So we have to understand this thing. I hope you all can understand. If you are having any question, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment, and we have to understand these things. Pariprashnan, if we are asking the question again and again to our teacher, then we will definitely get the answer and we will get a deep understanding. Without asking, the teacher will never come to know. So this is a Guru Shishya Parampara, like a student and teacher relation and student and teacher culture. We have to understand these things. I hope you all can understand, and we have to understand to whom we have to surrender and to whom we don't have to surrender. We just have to understand this thing. I hope you all can understand. For having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe.